What clipper number you got?
It's doing number 4 on Dan.
Right, Colin's taping up the skin with lace system with extender bond for Danny, because Danny is on all tape now. He likes wearing his hair forward, a little bit of a flick, but mainly forward, isn't it, Dan?
Yeah, yeah.
Just doing it this way so I can check the hairline first.
Like I said, extender bond all the way round for a tape attachment. You can see with the extender bond, with a well-made hair system, is that safe to say, Colin?
Yeah.
And the skin colour's alright. As long as the skin colour matches, you can see that looks good even with tapes.
Accurate placing of the tape, and it's all good.
Talking about mullets at the moment, whether the mullets hairstyle will come back, and it just reminded me of I had a mullet, and I grew my hair long and I permed the back of it.
Yeah, you didn't.
Yeah, so it was permed and the mullet on top.
Oh, nice.
If you guys could give me a mullet, I'd wear
And now
that
I've got the
always.
swoosh. What's that? You don't want a mullet.
No, just for if you ever have a mullet in. I don't know if you get them in.
Well, you'd have to grow back your own there.
Oh, yeah. If you ever wanted to do it just for like a comedy video, I'd wear a mullet for a week. I don't know if that can happen. I'm in.
I quite like my brand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did.
Did like. Let's see how long we can keep a straight face for.
Be straight.
Am I winning?
Well, I can't keep you straight.
Right, give us a spin on the spinning round then. There we go. Ready? Nice. Keep going, go on.
How fast?
Come on, that's it.
Slowly.
Slow motion.
Slow motion. There we go. That's a good job.